We're coming to you from the Bosque del Apache National Wildlife Refuge. I want to give this place a 5 grasshopper score. The time of day, season, and your powers of observation will shape what you see and how you see it.
Welcome to the Hopper Portal. My name is Sunny, and this is Chi-Dog.
For each destination on the Hopper Portal, I'll describe amenities, learning opportunities, and special features for each stop as Chi and I visit different places on our travels. Each stop is unique, but 2 things all Hopper Portal stops have in common is that they're all free for visitors and they each provide opportunities to learn about the area's ecology and the natural world. When you're exploring the Hopper Portal, look for the Grasshopper rating system, with 5 grasshoppers being my favorites. These ratings are determined by accessibility, special features, and educational value for each location. When you're on the Hopper Portal found on grasshopperslanding.com, you can click on the grass tufts to learn more about each site.
The parking lot of the visitor center and the nature store provide habitat and food sources through plantings and built structure. These look like insect habitat they built to protect insects and provide structure for them to lay their young, improving their reproductive success. And then in the median, there's also, you can see some really beautiful native plantings. Some of these plants have labels, of course. You can see there's built habitat structures to kind of assist in the survival rate of the wildlife here. In the background you can hear red-winged blackbird passing through. There's a whole flock of them here enjoying the day. Saw some other really cool birds as well. The Desert Arboretum trail is a must-see. It's such a cool trail. Be sure to grab the brochure on the outside of the trail. Provides the names of some of the plants that you'll see inside. Lots of really cool birds, lots of really cool plants. There's some dragonflies going on. You can also see there's another little built habitat. Looks like protecting some perhaps insects that overwinter in litter near the ground or on the ground. So that's kind of cool. We're gonna continue exploring, but I wanted to stop and say that this place has already earned a 5.
So we're in the Bosque. So Bosque in Spanish means forest.
Between the Chupadera Mountains to the west and the San Pascual Mountains to the east runs a Rio Grande, creating a ribbon of green in the Chihuahuan Desert that attracts millions of birds and other animals. Oh my gosh. Wild heritage is increasingly at risk to land development, human use of freshwater resources, introduced plant and animal competition, and climate change. I just wanted to take a moment to explain that there is a really cool auto tour loop road across the street from the visitor center that's pay area, and if you have the time and resources, it's a good way to support some of the activities of the National Wildlife Refuge. But the visitor center itself and the Desert Arboretum provide really great opportunities for education about some of the habitat here. Yeah, just wanted to say that Chi and I don't have time to do the loop, but if you do have time, like I said, and I'm not sure the cost, it's something to consider.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you like what you see, a great way to support our channel is to like, subscribe, or share our content. If you have the means, feel free to make a financial contribution. Buy me a cup of tea or Chi a bone by donating on grasshopperslanding.com. Have a great day!